Hello, students. So, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing well in your studies as well. So, today we are going to start at this chapter, which is resources of your geography NCERT book, dear students of class 8th. In previous video, I've already told you this that there are many reasons why some resources have not in economic value and all. But before doing this, I wanted to tell you information which already I have told you in our previous session also, that social science English classes and Sanskrit classes are available for only class 8th right now. But when further we will move on, when we will get support from YouTube, then we will going to have the English, social science and Sanskrit classes for class 6th and 7th also. If further support will be given, so class 5th onwards also we will start teaching. So dear students, you have to say to your so for class 6th and 7th we are making videos of science, maths and as well as your subject, which is Hindi. So dear students, you have to subscribe our channel for your education support. Okay, yes, now we will start from types of resources. So resources are basically classified into natural, human made and human. Okay, what are natural resources? Natural resources are some resources which are directly drawn from the nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Which are drawn from nature means they have taken from nature only, or there no any modification. Modification is something which is different. You mix something with it and you make a innovation and very innovative product. No, natural resources are the resources which are drawn from nature only. We directly take them and use it. So now the air we breathe, the water in our rivers, right? Sorry, and lakes and soil minerals are all natural resources. Yes, air, which is oxygen, it is given on nature only, right? It is given by our nature only and we are taking it. Then water, if you see, water is available on earth and it is also given by nature only, right? Now see, many of these resources are free gifts from nature and can be used directly, like water and air. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use a natural resource in best possible way. Kabhi tools or technology we need, like pipelines you have nowadays. Because of that, in your tap the water comes. And if you see, dear students, that for water also, sometimes people have to dig a well, and from that well they take out the water. So sometimes tools are necessary to take out these natural resources. Now see, natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. What are renewable and non-renewable resources, dear students? Renewable resources are the resources which replenish is what, dear students? Replenish very easily. You can say that they decompose very easily. No, these resources are resources which are sometime when we take them, so again they come back to their nature, right? Again they come back. Suppose if you say the water, about water, if you will take the examples of water, is what we drink it, we wash, many things are done by water. But when water is used, your mother wash your clothes and then she hang them out. Yes, and when the clothes are hanged outside, what happened? The evaporation process happened. Means the water from your clothes get evaporate, becomes water vapor, goes up and condenses and become the cloud. And cloud then hence water come back in the form of rainfall, right? So these are some things which are renewable or replenish very easily. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. कोई तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, human activities उनको affect नहीं कर सकती है. As a solar and wind energy, as you know, these are not in humans and they can do nothing to these resources. Now, yet careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil, forest can affect the stock. आपको पता है कभी कभी हम लोग इतना केयरलेस यूज़ कर देते हैं रिसोर्सेज का, लाइक वाटर, इफ़ यू से लाइक सॉइल एंड वॉट फॉरेस्ट. अगर हम इनका बहुत ही गंदी तरह यूज़ करते हैं, अच्छी तरह हम इनकी केयर नहीं करते, इनको अननेसेसरी वेस्ट करते हैं, तो व्हाट हैपन, योर दीज रिसोर्सेज का जो स्टॉक है परमानेंट इन नेचर, दैट विल गेट फिनिशेस. And dear students, you will be very surprised to know that it takes almost 1,000 years for them to come back in their nature, right? So you have to use them very, very wisely. I must say this, dear students. Okay, yes. And water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource, but storage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of world today. आपको लगता होगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स दैट जो वाटर है वो तो अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ हमारा रिसोर्सेज है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप केयरलेस यूज़ करते हैं वाटर का, तो जो स्टोरेज होती है वाटर की, ड्राइंग होती है, ये सब प्रोसेस में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है. और वर्ल्ड में आजकल वाटर की क्राइसिस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांटेड टू नो दिस दैट इन योर पर्टिकुलर सिटी, वेयर एवर यू लिव, मुंबई, दिल्ली, Patna, wherever, you have to tell me in the comment section that what are the water crises in your city. Dear students, I know that most of you people are having the old edition of the book, and in that book there are some more terms like actual and potential resources, abiotic and biotic resources, and these two resources you all are having in your books, right, in your old books. So don't worry, dear students, these resources are in the actual book from 22 to 23. They have been taken out, these parts are taken out by NCERT, and so that's why in your 2022 to 23 book these terms are not there. Only in my book there is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. But dear students, because I know this news that some of you are having these terms also, so I will explain you this. Don't worry about that, okay? Yes, so non-renewable resources, now we will write non-renewable, are those which have unlimited stock. Means हम तो सोचते थे renewable resources are unlimited stock. renewable resources का वो कि nature से derived है, right? And also I wanted to say you this दैट जो रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज होती हैं उनके पास तो मतलब नेचर मतलब अनलिमिटेड स्टॉक है. जैसे एयर है, ये है, वाटर है, राइट, ये सब अनलिमिटेड है. मतलब ये वाटर जो रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज है ये क्या कर रही है, ये वापस भी आ जा रही है. लेकिन हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे थे कि जो अगर आप वाटर को ढंग से यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो आपका क्या होगा, वाटर आएगा नहीं अच्छी तरीके से. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज होती हैं जिनका लिमिटेड पार्ट होता है आपकी अर्थ में. जैसे now it will not take many days that water become the non-renewable resource if you doesn't use it very wisely. Okay, now see, non-renewable are those which are limited stock. Limited stock is something which has some value. Extend from that, it is not there. Once the stock are exhausted, what is the meaning of exhausted? Means they are finished. Exhausted is also mean that you are very tired, right? It may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Replenish means, dear children, it come down again to the nature. Okay, so you have to use these resources wisely. Since this period is much more than human life expense, because you have seen that human lives are till nowadays in this present times, human age is still 70 or 80, you can say. Most of the people doesn't live till 80 also, they are died up in 60 only. I am telling you this, dear children, the truth thing is this only. So very few are there who live till 80, 90, and that is very difficult to cross the 100 number. Okay, so it is across the human life expense. Such resources are considered as non-renewable. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are some examples. कौन से हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल? कोल, आपका जो है वो है, क्योंकि वो लिमिटेड अमाउंट में मिलेगा आपको. अगर आप सब जगह से खोद खोद के कोड निकाल लोगे तो वो सब ख़त्म भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द लिमिटेड नंबर. ओके, पेट्रोलियम जो आपका वो होता है, पेट्रोल, नेचुरल गैस, ये सब जो है बहुत लिमिटेड अमाउंट में है. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द फिजिकल फैक्टर्स लाइक ट्रेन, क्लाइमेट एंड एल्टीट्यूड. ट्रेन क्या होता है और क्लाइमेट क्या होता है, एल्टीट्यूड, ये सब आपने देखा होगा. ट्रेन रेन टाइम में, क्लाइमेट जो होता है आपका वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट है मैनी डिफरेंस डी स्टूडेंट्स. गर्मी के सीज़न में ठंड होना, क्लाइमेट के चेंजेस होते हैं. एंड एल्टीट्यूड इज़ योर हाइट. ओके, yes, the distribution of resources is unequal because these factors different from so much over the earth. So this we have done. Okay, stock of resource, it's the amount of resource available for use. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हमने पढ़ा है रिन्यूएबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. लेकिन मैं आपको एक्चुअल एंड पोटेंशियल भी पढ़ाऊँगी, और साथ ही में मैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या कहते हैं, जो आपके दो और है वो है एबायोटिक एंड बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. आई विल टीच यू बिकॉज आई नो दैट ओल्ड वर्जन इज हैविंग दीज टू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो, एंड विच आई थिंक दैट यू शुड नो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. बट NCERT new edition, NCERT have removed these parts. So dear students, it's better that you don't focus on them much on exams, but yes, you should definitely know these terms. Okay, now tomorrow we will continue from human made resources, human resources, and at the last I will tell you abiotic and actual and potential, or abiotic and biotic resources. So dear student, this much for today, and I hope that you like the video. I'm not making so big because if you talk on me, I can complete your chapter in just one day, but I want that my children understand each and every topic very nicely, very quickly. In order to any doubt, you can comment me. I will make another video related to this topic only, and you will get it soon. Thank you so much dear students for this watching this video, and I hope that you like it. So please like and subscribe my channel and share it too. Thank you so much.